I bought this harness kit off of Amazon, company called Shimmeyer. I'm not familiar with them. And what this is you attach it to a harness that you wear when you're doing high up work, and like in a tree, or in my case, it's going to be on the roof of my house. I've got to do some masonry repairs on the chimney and chimney caps and roofing and all that. And so just to be safe, I'm going to wear a harness, and I want a fall restraint Lifeline. Very important that you wear one of those because you never know. So let's check it out. So first of all, it comes with instructions, and the instructions are, they look good. Yeah, they look decent. I've used these before, so I kind of know what to do already, but it's good that it came with instructions. It comes wrapped in a canvas bag, sort of a camping bag of some sort. That's nice. And the device itself is in bubble wrap. So what this is, you've got, the way these things work is you've got some lines that are wrapped back and forth, and they stay just like this for years if you need to, as long as you take proper care of it. And then if you ever fall off like a roof, this thing is designed to reel itself out and decelerate your fall, because a lot of people can be hurt even though they have a harness on, they've attached themselves to a line. If they fall like 10 or 15 feet and the line just suddenly snaps and like jerks them, you can actually get hurt really bad, even though you never hit the ground, just from the deceleration of a line just yanking on you like that. You can break your hips, break your ribs, break your back. So these are designed to decelerate you. I think this is a 6-foot deceleration. I'll have to read it, but what I really liked about this was that you could anchor yourself to one point on the roof, so you have an attachment point, but then you can walk around that entire section of the roof, and it's kind of like it's on a sort of like a dog, how a dog leash works. So whoops. Well, it's supposed to be retracting. Oh, this part. So you can walk around here, you can go over there, go over there, go over there. I don't know how long it retracts out, but it's like a seatbelt in your car. It lets you move around a good chunk of the roof wherever you're high up you're working. But then if you fall suddenly, it'll snap just like a seatbelt does. See how I jerked on it real hard and it just snapped? So it'll stop you. And then if you fall really hard, this thing will come out and decelerate your fall. So this is exactly what I was looking for. The price is right. I will read the instructions so I know what I'm doing. But I highly recommend this. If you don't get this, if you're working up on a high roof, at least get something very similar to this. Especially you homeowners like me, be safe.